Wellington has assured fans that 31 March is going to be a peaceful day, and he actually said this on his Instagram post. As you all know, that 31 March is the day that Comrade Blessed Geza said Zimbabweans need to protest. There's an uprising where Zimbabweans need to actually protest, demonstrate, so that Mnangagwa can be removed from his post as the president, because war veterans are saying we can't do with the 23 ideas and stuff like that. So after Holton posted this, people were just like all over the place, firing big at firing shows at Holton basically. So I'll read through the comments that people has how people have responded to the post that from Holton that 31 March is going to be a peaceful day. So somebody commented that this one is getting lost. Tell him to focus on his music career rather than politics. He is going to be at peace. Who is Holton? Anna Holton Tichawafekeza Masaga, mark my words. At least he's destroying his brand by his own hands. It's a matter of time. Kwavari kufamba nako vakawanda vakadonha vana kuzombovayeuka. Spoiled brat. Ibenzi mufana uyu nekuti anodya nezanu idingasi yebasa pasina Holton nemazanipi of patriots. He should focus on his wife ari kudyiwa. Kambwa kezanu aka shut up kajaira kupiwa zvamahara. Uyu ari kufira mahara. He is a delusional lunatic and he is not in his right senses. Every sensible young man would want this uprising to be a success. Why these low intellect guys want problems for themselves? So these are basically the comments that follow the statement of Holton. Holton also goes on to say Pasi Nageza, which actually got most Zimbabweans worried. Let's get to hear what you think.